integration students. Now please start solving these questions, students. Solve integration of x raised to 3 by 2 plus 2 e raised to x into dx, students. Okay. Integration of x raised to 3 by 2 plus 2 ex into dx having limits from 0 to 1. Okay. Get me the answer for this. And one who gets the answer, please raise your hand as fast as possible. Now this time, please, I want the rest of the students also to answer, because it was last lecture of guys who are answering. Ashmita, even you also now need to.
So can you read the question because my screen is blurred?
Students, rest of y'all, is the audio video fine with all of y'all? There should not be any problem from my end. Please do reply. Is the audio, is the board clear? Can you see it properly?
Yes, sir. Clear, sir.
Okay, fine. So, if possible, Ashmita, what do? अगर हो सके तो वापस reconnect करो. I'll take you in.
Yes, sir.
या screen को off करके वापस screen को on करो. Like this, I'll consider off and then again I'll put it on.
Yes, sir. Now it's clear.
It will
Thank
get
you.
it. Yeah. What is this cheat up to? So many times he's entering, he's not able to enter only. Okay, please. Anyone who can give the answer for this, students? Integration of x raised to 3 by 2 plus 2 e raised to x into dx. The limits are 0 to 1. Swapnil has raised hand. Yes, Swapnil, come on, carry on. Swapnil, answer. What's the answer you're getting?
Minus 8 by 5 plus 2e.
Okay, minus 8 by 5 plus 2e. Swapnil, can you tell me what's integration of ex into dx?
Ex.
Absolutely correct. Now, see, students, when you're trying to solve it, the method what Swapnil has used is u plus v method. Integration of u plus v. So try to split up separately. You can go for that. So यहाँ पे सबसे पहले क्या होगा, students? Listen carefully. It's integration of x raised to 3 by 2 into dx, where your lower limit x is equal to 0, upper limit x is equal to 1, students. बाद में क्या होगा? Plus. What exactly? It's integration of 2 e raised to x into dx, where over here also your lower limit x is equal to 0, x is equal to 1. Please, those students who are still not able to have a grip on integration, please, students, this is the last opportunity for you all to rework onto it. Is that clear? Don't lose grip in this case, please. So I've just simply used UV method. मैंने दोनों को separate कर दिया. अभी यहाँ पे हम formula use करेंगे. What is integration of x raised to n into dx? Swapnil?
Raised to n plus 1 upon n plus 1.
X raised to n plus 1 upon n plus 1. And if I have limits a to b, so what I'll put forward over here? यहाँ पे limits डालूंगा a to b. फिर मैं upper limit को substitute करूंगा. X, I substitute upper limit minus x as lower limit.
Sir, I'm facing network issue.
Pardon?
Sir, I'm facing network issues. So.
Okay, fine. Doesn't matter. Okay, so students, x raised to 3 by 2 into dx, what exactly my answer will be? It's x raised to 3 by 2 plus 1 upon 3 by 2 plus 1. Your lower limit is 0, your upper limit is 1. Further add plus integration of 2 e raised to x, 2 is constant, which is outside. Students, what is integration of e raised to x into dx? Will simply e raised to x only. Agreed? Your lower limit I can consider will be equal to what? 0 and 1 we consider. Constant of integration will not come over here because this we speak about definite integrals. Now further solving it, ये क्या होगा? 3 by 2 plus 1 का आंसर क्या होगा students? This will be 5 by 2. So can I write this as 5 by 2? ये क्या होगा? This is also what? 5 by 2. Lower limit is 0, upper limit is 1. Plus 2. E raised to x 0 to 1. Now substitute the value of x in both the cases. So now this 5 by 2, can I write down students 2 by 5? ये 2 ऊपर चला जाएगा, 5 नीचे रहेगा. Now substitute x as 1. Students, it's 1 raised to 5 by 2 minus 0 raised to 5 by 2. Upper limit minus lower limit, students. Then you have plus 2 e raised to x. So it's e raised to x we consider. That means can I say e raised to 1 minus e raised to 0. Substituting x, students हम x को substitute करेंगे. These limits are for x. So substituting x as 1 for the upper limit and x as 0 for the lower limit. Now what is the final answer you're getting it? That will be equal to what? 2 by 5. We consider it's 1 into 5 by 2. We consider in terms of how much? It will be 5 by 2 itself fully I'll consider. Is that clear? Plus I'll consider in terms of it as how much? 2 raised to e minus we consider e raised to 0 will be equal to 1. Agreed? So can I say this will be 2 by 5 plus, listen carefully students. This is 2 e raised to 1. What is e raised to 0 students? It's 1. Is that clear?
Yes.
So now if I say 2 into 1 will be how much? 2 I'll consider. Is that clear students? Agreed? तो ये क्या होगा? प्लस इंटू माइनस क्या हो जाएगा? -2. क्या ये समझ में आया स्टूडेंट्स? Is this clear to all of you all? E raised to 0 1 हो जाएगा स्टूडेंट्स. प्लस इंटू माइनस will be minus. 2 1s are 2. 2 into e raised to 1. अभी इसको solve करो students. Just solve this ratio and this one. What is 2 by 5 minus 2 students? What is 2 by 5 minus 2? So 5 2s are 10. Minus 10 plus 2. So can I say minus 8 by 5? Plus 2e. That's your final answer. And that's what Swapnil told. क्या ये clear हुआ students to everyone?
Yes, sir.
Please students start working onto it and start solving problems by yourself, students. Rather than myself or somebody else giving answers, try to go ahead with it. तो सिर्फ हमने u plus v method लिया, separate कर दिया, फिर limits डाल के we got the answer accordingly. Can I erase this students? इसको erase करूँ मैं? Students, can I erase it?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Okay. And please do keep in mind about the formula also. Okay. Next question, students. Try to get the answer for this one, okay? And please try to get it properly and as fast as possible. Question given to you is, now these are all for definite integrals, okay? Students, the questions are integration of 3 plus 2t into dt, okay? Lower limit is 1, upper limit is 5. Come on, get me the answer for this, fast. This is very easy, very easy question. Very fast, you should get the answer. And it's an integer type question. Lower limit is 1, upper limit is 5, students. Smith has raised a hand. Mayank has raised hands. Students, ये जो सारे students ये हमेशा answer देते हैं. Come on, I want somebody else. I want somebody else. Mayank and Smith, you can go for this question now. If you have completed with this. 2 sin x minus cos x into dx. Lower limit is pi by 4. Upper limit is pi by 2. Smith and Mayank, did you get it? Now solve this one. Is the question clear to both of you all?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Fine. Solve this one. Please, anybody can give me the answer for this. I'm waiting for other students to answer for this one. Come on, Akash, Alisha, Arman, Arth, Ashmita, come on. What are you doing? Devesh, Harsh, Jason, Krisha, Mayur, Nivetita, Panchul. What about you, Panchul? What are you doing? Parth, Purvi, come on, answer. Pratham, Prajwal, Praveen, Priti, Ritesh, Riya. Riya, were you present the last lecture, day before yesterday?
Yes, I was there in the last lecture.
Did you understand? Did you understand?
Yes, sir. Actually, this time for this integration and differentiation, I'm facing a bit like underconfidence. I don't know why I'm a
Why?
bit underconfident with the subject, so I'm just trying to practice a bit more, and so I'm not able. I'm unable to answer in these sessions.
तो this doesn't matter ना, गलत आंसर दो ना. See one thing, don't do like that. बिंदास गलत आंसर दो, कुछ नहीं होता है. बिंदास आंसर करो ना. See, then only the learning process takes place. Yesterday also, see, I went on saying it in that case, but you should speak it out. If you keep it to yourself, nothing is going to happen. Are you getting it? You should speak it out.
Yes, sir.
And I've made it very clear to you and to rest of the students also. See, the students who know the matter, they are going to race ahead, they are going to move ahead. And I know that these people will be able to crack it. But I want to take the other students along with me. So तुम्हें ये करना जरूरी है. और ये सब formulas के ऊपर डिपेंड है. Students अगर formulas revise नहीं करोगे, नहीं लिखोगे, तो it's going to be like that. Riya, you want to try for this? Riya, you want to try for this? Yeah, you want to try for this? Yes or no?
So let someone else do. I'm trying here.
Doesn't matter, you answer right now ना. Riya, doesn't matter. गलत तो गलत, कोई problem नहीं. आंसर करोगे? अगर मैं तुम्हें सिर्फ क्वेश्चन पूछते रहूंगा, तुम आंसर करो. गलत तो कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं, देयर टू हेल्प यू आउट. चलेगा? इज इट फाइन? हाँ रिया? Doesn't matter. Ashmita. See, Ashmita gave the answer. Okay, Ashmita, you answer. Yeah, she's not responding. Come on.
Sir, answer 36 is right.
Yes, correct. It's absolutely correct.
Yes, sir.
कैसे
So
करोगे?
now, sir, differentiating 3 dt, integration 3 dt with lower limit 1 and 5.
Hmm.
So we'll get 3t
So first of all,
with
what
lower
method you are
limit.
going to use it? No, first of all, what's the formula you're going to use?
So integration of so the sum one integration of
Sum method. U plus V.
3 dt plus
Okay, so
integration of 2t.
very good. So I can split up. So 3 dt, lower limit is 1, upper limit is 5, plus integration of 2t into dt, lower limit is 1, upper limit is 5. Okay, now how do you go about with this? अब इसको कैसे solve करोगे? Is 3 a constant?
T with
Okay,
lower
so
limit 1 and 5.
okay, integration of dt, what you said it?
T.
Okay, so this will be integration of dt from 1 to 5 plus is 2 a constant?
2 is constant. Yes.
So integration of t into dt
So now
1 to 5. Okay, now solving it. You said integration of dt is what?
T.
Absolutely correct. And that's the formula. That's the formula I'd given it to you. I'd given
Yes,
you
sir.
the formula to solve. Lower limit is 1, upper limit is 5. यानी स्टूडेंट्स ये 1 और 5 किसकी वैल्यू है? ना ही तुम्हारी है, ना ही मेरी है. अश्मिता ये वैल्यू किसकी है? 1 और 5 किसकी है?
So T. T का.
वेरी गुड. टी का तो टी का तुम्हें 1 सब्स्टिट्यूट करना है, टी को 5 सब्स्टिट्यूट. भले ही आप उन लोग नहीं बताते स्टूडेंट्स, ये जो तुम्हारे वेरिएबल्स है ना उसका है. हेलो, ये जो वेरिएबल है ये हैविंग लिमिट्स. I told you variables always has limits. मैंने क्या बोला था? Y depends on x. So y is a function, x is a variable. अगर x is a variable तो उसको limits होने वाला है. तो वैसे यहाँ पे t is a variable तो उसको limits होने वाला है. Limits का मतलब क्या हुआ? Limiting ratio we consider limits. That means initial and final we consider. So now same thing over here plus 2. Can you tell me integration of t into dt, Ashmita, what will be?
Yes, sir. Integration of T into dt is T square by 2.
Okay, what's the
So
formula
2
you
and
use?
2 will, so
What's
x
the
raised to n. X raised
Okay,
to
x
n
raised
into
to-
dt.
Yes. So now this will be lower limit is again 1, upper limit is 5. Okay, will I put
Yes, sir.
constant integration? Can I put plus c over here?
No, sir, because here there are limits, so we should not put C.
Absolutely
Constant.
correct. These are definite integrals यानी एक definite value मिलने वाली है. Indefinite जहाँ पे limits नहीं दिए होते हैं, indefinite integrals you can go for that. Okay. Fine. Now further ahead. So now 3. What I'll do? Substituting.
T has 5 and minus T has 1.
Okay. Lower limit. This 2 and 2 will get cancelled.
Cancel. Then 5 square minus 1 square.
Absolutely correct. So that will be 3 into 5 minus 1 will
3
be
into
4.
4 and 25 minus 1, that is 24.
Absolutely correct. So it will be 12 plus 24. What's your answer?
12 plus 24, 36.
The answer for this will be 36. Is this clear, students? Ria, now is it have you understood, Ria? Arya, is it clear to you? समझ में आया? Okay, fine. And they are nothing to feel ashamed or nothing to. अगर तुम जितना ashamed रहोगे ना students, take it from me. Be selfish. अभी मैं बोल रहा हूँ. Don't try to be ashamed in that case to what people are going to think about me and my studies. To hell with people around, students. Open up, speak out. Are you getting it? Now, since a person is said about it, you know, I'm trying it in that case, but cannot. So it's fine. That is what I'm telling that people to work out, and bindas you should come out with it. लेकिन एक होना चाहिए कि तुम्हें भी साथ में मेहनत करने की जरूरत है. अगर तुम उसको फॉर्मूलाज को 5 दफे 10 दफे लिख के अगर बंद करके अगर तुम्हें आज तुमने लर्न किया है फिर 5 दिन के बाद वापस अगर if mama ask you formulas you should be able to answer without revision. Then see the grip you can get it. So these efforts are not done. That is what the same thing. The efforts are not done. Things will be lingering in that case. Okay, what about this now? It seems Mayank and Smith has completed with this part also. Can you give me the final answer for this? Mayank or Smith, anyone?
So 3 root 2 by 2 minus 1.
Okay, absolutely correct. Which one? Which one is saying it?
So that 5 square minus 1.
So this is 5. This is upper limit minus lower limit is 1 only, no? It is plus 1. So it's like this. So 5 square is 25 minus 1 square is 1. Swapnil,
Bracket.
हाँ it's fine. अगर तुम brackets वो तो मैंने डायरेक्टली कर दिया. हाँ अगर मेरा -1 होता, then I would have given -1 over here very clearly. Agreed?
That's why I didn't got my answer.
Acha, fine. Okay. Now anyone can give an answer for the students? Anyone can give the answer for this one? Come on, Panchal. Come on, Parth. Parth, what are you doing, Parth? Are you there, Parth?
Yes, sir, I'm doing.
Answer for this. Come on, you answer. What will do? This is U plus V method. Is it U plus V or U minus V method? Yes, Parth, answer. Come on, fast. Are you there, Parth? Okay, who knows it? Do answer. Come on. One who knows it can raise your hand and answer. Anybody? Okay, man. Come on, answer for this. Carry on.
Sir, we use U plus V method and integrate them separately.
Absolutely correct. U minus V method we consider integrate
U
separately.
minus
So that is 2 sin x into dx. Where मुझे बता, man, what is pi by 4?
45 degree.
No. What is pi by 4 represents over here?
Radian.
Of course, that's a unit. But what does it represent? It's an angle. It represents angle.
Theta.
45 degree.
And in this expression, of course, in this expression, where do you see angle? Angle is represented by which variable? In this expression, x. समझ में आ रहा है स्टूडेंट्स? यानी ये जो pi by 4 है वो एक angle है. Angle है. This is measured in radians. Are you getting it? Now when I speak about for this part of it, your x is equal to pi by 4 and x is equal to pi by 2. So now can I say integration of 2 into sin x into dx? Your lower limit is pi by 4, upper limit is pi by 2, minus integration of cos x into dx. Lower limit is pi by 4, upper limit is pi by 2. Now man, carry on further. What will do?
Sir, we can take 2 outside and sin x will become minus cos x. So it will be minus 2 cos x. And when you integrate cos x, it will be sin x.
Absolutely correct. So integration of sin x, 2 is constant. So sin x into dx, lower limit is pi by 4, upper limit is pi by 2, minus integration of cos of x into dx, again pi by 4, pi by 2. Friends, in this case, if I happen to consider 2 is a constant, integration of sin x, what exactly Mayank said it? Minus cos x. ये formula आना चाहिए. Then only you'll be able to go for it. Mayank, can you tell me what is differentiation of sin x with respect to x?
Differentiation of sin x is cos x.
Cos x plus cos x. And differentiating cos x?
Minus sin x.
Likewise, can I say your integration and derivatives are opposite of each other? So now if I ask you integration of sin x, students, he said it minus cos x. This lower limit is pi by 4, upper limit pi by 2, minus as it is. Students, what is integration of cos x into dx? So what he said it? Plus sin x. Lower limit pi by 4, upper limit pi by 2. अभी क्या करना है तुम्हें? सिर्फ सब्स्टिट्यूट करना वैल्यूज, बस ये 2 को बाहर निकाल दिया, माइनस साइन भी मैंने बाहर ले लिया, ब्रैकेट में अपर लिमिट को सब्स्टिट्यूट करो, माइनस लोअर लिमिट, ब्रैकेट क्लोज, एग्रीड, माइनस साइन, साइन ऑफ अपर लिमिट पाई बाय 2, लोअर लिमिट साइन ऑफ पाई बाय 4, substituting it, now solving it further, what exactly will get it? Minus 2. So what is cos of 90? Yes, ma'am. What is cos of 90? 0. Cos of pi by 4?
1 upon root 2.
1 by root 2.
1 by root 2. So its cos of pi by 4 is cos of 45. Are you getting it? And cos of 45, everybody should know it. Cos of 45, everyone should know it. Students, you will have learned it in your class 10th trigonometry. So it's 1 by root 2. तुम बोल ही नहीं सकते कि हमें नहीं आता ये सब values नहीं आता. Nobody can say it, whether you are SSC student, whether you are CBSE student, whether you are ICSE student, whether you are ISC student. No one can say कि we don't know these values. That's why I told you, students, refer to your 10th standard maths and physics thoroughly when your initial time. अभी शुरू हुआ था तभी मैंने clearly बोला था, consistently try to finish it up. जो तुम्हारा portion तुमने miss किया है 10th में, उसको भी एक दफे go through करो. Things becomes much more easier. Minus sine of 90 will be 1. Again, sine of 45. What's the value of sine of 45? Pi by 4 is 45 degree. What is sine of 45 degree?
1 by root 2.
1 by. Agreed. Now solving it further, I'm putting it back over here, students. ये solution में ऊपर ले रहा हूँ. So can I say minus 2 into 0 is 0, minus into minus will be plus. So can I say this becomes 2 upon root 2. Plus into minus, minus 1. Minus into minus will be plus 1 by root 2. Agreed. Students, 2 by root 2 plus 1 by root 2. So what's my answer? 3 by root 2 minus
Minus
1. Final answer. Students, hope this part is clear. Problem तुम्हारा भी जब भी तुम लिखोगे भी तो students ध्यान से लिखना. कुछ ऐसे भी students होते हैं right now into the classroom में बैठे, उनको ये भी नहीं पता होता कि कहाँ से, मैंने ऐसे बता दिया ना, ओके, और जब भी उन लोग कॉपी करने लगते हैं उनको पता नहीं चलता कि प्रॉब्लम ये है कि प्रॉब्लम ये है. There are some students who are like that also. Means they are not at all attentive कि कहाँ से शुरू किया, कहाँ के क्या follow जा रहा है, how is the path followed, and where exactly has reached. Are you getting it? So this is what we had ended up over here, and now this is your final answer, students. And don't forget the way of approach towards it. Smith, I'm putting your question over here. You have put what is integration of, is it 2
Yes, sir.
sin x dx? Is it 2 sin x dx?
Sir,
Integration
yes, sir. Integration of upper limit 3 pi by 2.
Yeah, na?
Yes, sir. Upper limit 3 pi by 2 and lower limit pi by 2.
Okay, fine. तो ये क्यों नहीं आया? अभी देखो students, अगर ये question he is putting across, okay, let me hold, Smith, let me hold for the rest of them to complete this part. Okay,
Yes, sir.
and just please, those who are writing it, please put it off so that I can erase it. Why did you get it in this case, Smith?
Sir, after that sin x and that integration part, then I didn't getting up forward.
Why? 2 तो common आ जाएगा ना, 2 बाहर निकल जाएगा. What is integration of sin x into dx?
Minus cos x.
हाँ, और अपर लिमिट 3, तो यहाँ पे क्या होगा? माइनस साइन बाहर निकाल लेना तू, यहाँ पे क्या आएगा? cos of
3 pi by 2 minus cos of pi by 2.
हो गया. 3 pi by 2 का मतलब कितना होगा? What is cos
Okay,
of 3
sir.
pi by 2?
Got it. सर मैंने वो माइनस साइन बाहर नहीं निकाली थी, मैंने अंदर ही रखी, इसलिए फिर रॉन्ग आ रहा था.
हाँ, यानी इसमें ये सारी चीजें इसमें, and see those students who knows it, okay, अभी क्या कहते हैं जो students जिसको मालूम है ना, वो थोड़ा सा नेग्लिजेंस मत रहो स्टूडेंट्स, आई एम टेलिंग यू वेरी क्लियरली। अभी भी अगर चाहो तो थोड़ा सा स्टेप वाइज करो, क्योंकि ये प्रॉब्लम है, अगर तुम घाई करना शुरू कर दोगे ना, जरा भी नेगेटिव पॉजिटिव साइन का डिफरेंस हुआ, तुम्हारा आंसर मैच नहीं करेगा ऑप्शंस के साथ में। आई एम टेलिंग यू वेरी क्लियरली, मल्टीपल चॉइस क्वेश्चंस इज अ गेम स्टूडेंट्स, मल्टीपल चॉइस क्वेश्चंस इज अ गेम। उस गेम को समझो, ट्राई टू अंडरस्टैंड दैट। तुम्हें जानबूझ के ऐसे सारे क्वेश्चन देंगे जहां पे तुम सिली एरर्स करोगे बीच में। जो स्टूडेंट्स को लगता है कि मुझे आता है, वो फील करेगा मेरा आंसर गलत क्यों आया। एंड सेकेंडली, इट्स अ स्पीड गेम। It's a speed game. One question in less than 1 minute. It's a speed game. तो स्पीड को करने के लिए you have to be 200% sure कि तुम क्या कर रहे हो. So rather than going for quantity, students go for quality and try to get maximum answers, maximum questions correct. पॉलिसी ये रखो और धीरे धीरे अपना नंबर ऑफ सॉल्विंग एबिलिटी बढ़ाओ. ध्यान से सुनो स्टूडेंट्स, अगर तुम्हारा 20 MCQs की टेस्ट होती है ना, तो पहले टारगेट सेट करो कि 20 में से मुझे सिर्फ 17 करने पहले, चलो. एंड योर पेरेंट्स आल्सो नोज यू वेरी वेल, व्हाट काइंड ऑफ अ स्टूडेंट आर यू, डजंट मैटर. इसको तुम्हें प्रूव करने की जरूरत नहीं है. 2 साल के बाद में तुम बहुत अच्छा करोगे. सो नाउ गो फॉर 17, ट्राई टू गेट दो 17 करेक्ट इन दैट टाइम लिमिट. या 16 तुम अटेम्प्ट करना चाहते हो तो 16 को करेक्ट लेके आओ. फिर नेक्स्ट टाइम तुम और एक या दो एग्जाम के बाद में 17 तक पहुंचो. वैसे ही अगर 45 मल्टीपल चॉइस क्वेश्चन हो तो सेट अ टारगेट, तो किसी भी हाल में मुझे 40 करेक्ट चाहिए इन दैट टाइम. This is how you have to gain strength. You can't go for all 45 and then create blunders at the end of it. Try to change your strategy. जो भी strategy है तुम change करते रहो. Yes, Smith, absolutely correct. Friends, everybody solve this now. Those have completed. Smith has put forward this question. It's 2 sin x into dx. Lower limit is 5/2. Upper limit is 3π/2. Can I erase this, students? इसको erase कर दूं मैं अभी. You now see, ये पार्ट होगा नहीं मेरे एक्सप्रेशन में. So now when you solve it, students, see what exactly 2 is outside. Okay, integration of sin x into dx, 5/2 is the lower limit, upper limit is 3π/2. So 2 is outside. Integration of sin x is minus cos x, students. Lower limit is 5/2, upper limit is 3π/2. So now can I remove minus sign outside? -2. Students, ये minus अंदर रख के तो solve कर सकते हो. Minus sign तुम लेके तुम solve कर सकते हो, कोई problem नहीं. लेकिन फिर you should feel confident कि am I able to crack that, क्योंकि multiplication of signs भी आते हैं यहाँ पे. So -2 मैंने बाहर ले लिया. To avoid confusion, तो cos of क्या होगा? 3π/2 minus cos of π/2. This is equal to -2. Students, what is cos of 3π/2, students?
Cos 270.
Okay, cos of 270, that means what exactly, I'll consider?
180 plus
So
90.
0.
Huh?
0.
180 plus 90 degree means 0.
Absolutely correct. 0. Panchal has put forward again 0. Panchal, यहाँ पे तो ऐसा पोस्ट कर रहा है, लेकिन आंसर क्यों नहीं देता फिर? हाँ Panchal, naughty boy. Okay. So what exactly है? 0 होगा, students. And see, Ashmit has put the answer. Okay, ये 0 होगा. Minus. What is cos of 90?
0.
0. What's my answer?
San.
क्या है? Answer क्या है? Students, this is 0 only, na? 0 into -2 is what?
So 0.
Yes. So Ashmita, क्या
Hello.
लिखा तुमने? So what we did right answer? Ashmita? Listen carefully. See, this is what the angles which you need to take care of it. Friends, angles के बारे में था. ये तुम्हारा add sugar to coffee, ये तुम लोग ने मैथ्स में भी पढ़ा होगा. बेसिक मैथ्स में मैंने पढ़ा, बताया भी है स्टूडेंट्स. यहाँ पे all trigonometric terms will be positive. लेकिन जब भी हम लोग पढ़ा था cos of 0 students is always equal to 1. Cos of 90 students 5 by 2 is always equal to 0. And whether it's 1 pi by 2, whether it's 3 pi by 2, whether it's 5 pi by 2, any odd integral multiple of half, it's always 0 we consider. ये तुम्हारा 0 हुआ, cos of pi by 2 is also 0 in that case. And he gave the upper limit of 3 pi by 2 and pi by 2. Agreed? Students, क्या ये clear हुआ? Can I erase this now?
Yes, sir.
Okay. भाई मत करो students. Don't be in a haste. कहीं भागे नहीं जा रहे हो हम. और ना ही तुम्हें किसी को प्रूव करना है कि मैं उससे बेटर हूँ या मैं उससे पीछे हूँ. नहीं, you don't have to prove anybody. Students, prove yourself. और अगर गलतियां होती है तो उस गलतियों से सीखो and don't repeat those mistakes again in the next questions. Okay, so the next question I am putting across to all students, listen carefully. Speed of a particle, okay? Speed of a particle is given by 3t square plus t plus 2 in meter per second. Students, my question is, find a distance in time 2 seconds and acceleration in time 1 second. क्या ये question clear हुआ सबको? Speed of a particle is given as 3t square plus t plus 2 in meter per second. I want to find a distance covered in time 2 seconds and acceleration in time 1 second. Is this question clear to all of you all? अरे हाँ या ना तो बोलो.
Yes, sir.
Okay, try to get it now. Come on, Vansh, Soham, Shubh, Shlok, Priya,
Yes, sir.
Ritik.
Yes, sir. We're doing it right now only.
You're doing it right now?
Yes, sir.
And Soham, क्या हुआ? तू तो म्यूजिकल चेयर की तरह आता और जाता. हाँ सोहम.
नहीं सॉरी सर, लास्ट वीक से थोड़े प्रॉब्लम्स हो रहे थे, अभी ऐसा नहीं होगा फिर से.
नहीं, see one thing. Soham, you're not doing any mehrbani by entering into the lectures for me. Is that clear?
Yes, sir, I know.
It is very true, and I am very, very straightforward with these things. Because when students try to work out in this manner, I don't want the rest of the class to get an encourage. If you don't want to enter, then don't enter. Keep it away throughout. I have no problem. Let the entire chapter gets over. And then if you throw your doubts right now, I'm not going to entertain you at all. मैं कभी भी तुम्हें ये चैप्टर के लिए एंटरटेन करूंगा नहीं, दूसरे चैप्टर के लिए एंटरटेन करूंगा मैं. I'm very, very clear with these things. Please, I don't think like that कि ये IIT हाँ भाई धर्मशाला है. यहाँ पे धर्मशाला लिखूं मैं? हाँ, धर्मशाला लिखो.
नहीं, sir.
मेरी मर्जी, मैं जब आऊँ तभी आऊँ, मैं जब जाऊँ तभी जाऊँ. मेरी मर्जी, मैं चाहे ये करूँ, मैं चाहे वो करूँ. No, it's not like that. And I don't want the other students to take and seek from you. They should not learn from you. और अगर genuine reason भी था, तो you should have spoken to the institute, spoken to the concerned person, spoken to me also. Okay, sir, this was the problem with me. That's why I could not attend and I has to go out. But you never bothered to say that.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. So it won't happen again, sir.
The reason is why I'm telling you, because he used to enter for first 5 minutes and then used to walk out, because I know that recorded lectures have been forwarded. But
It
you are
won't
trying
happen
to,
again, sir.
लेकिन अभी मैं बता रहा हूँ स्टूडेंट्स, ध्यान से सुनना. recorded lectures को undue advantage, not only to you, so now I'm not telling it to you, I'm telling to the entire class. तो अपने पे मत लेना अभी. I'm telling all the students ध्यान से सुनना students, recorded lectures का undue advantage मत लो. अभी राइट नाउ तुम अगर बैठे हो पैर फैला के, हाथ पीछे रख के, आराम से लेटे लेटे कॉट पे या onto the study desk without writing anything, and then again you'll sit with the record, it's not going to help you out. बहुत हालत खराब होगी आगे जाके फिजिक्स में. So try to work out properly. Smith has raised hand. Mayank, what about you? Have you completed? Okay, Mayank has also raised hand. He has posted the answer also. Anybody else other than Smith and Mayank? Come on, anybody else other than Smith and Mayank? Ashmita, आज निशान को मैंने सेलोटेप लगा के बिठा दिया साइड पे. Ashmita, Smith, wait a minute, there's a difference in the answer between Smith and Mayank. हाँ, Mayank and Smith, your answers are different. Very good. One answer, both of you are getting it correct. And in the second case, Smith, you are correct. Mayank, the first answer is not proper. शायद calculation error किया होगा वहाँ. Ashmita, answer. Ashmita, are you there?
Yes, sir.
बोलो, how do you do it? मुझे speed से distance चाहिए, तो क्या करोगे? कुछ याद आ रहा है? Ashmita, I had told you. Wait a minute. Just answer this. अगर मुझे distance से speed यानी displacement से velocity चाहिए या velocity से acceleration चाहिए, तो क्या करोगे तुम? Will you go for integration or will you go for derivatives? Displacement से velocity, velocity to acceleration. क्या करोगे?
Derivative, sir. We'll do differentiation.
Differentiation. And when I go from acceleration
Yes,
to
sir.
velocity to what I'll do?
Integrate.
Now they are asking you from speed to distance. That means velocity to displacement. Fine enough. यानी यहाँ से पहले तो क्या करना है तुम्हें? Integrate करना पड़ेगा ना?
So integration.
देखो solution में क्या होगा? V is equal to what? 3t square plus t plus 2. How do you write on velocity in terms of displacement? Ashmita, velocity को कैसे लिखोगे? How to write on velocity? Yes, Smith or Mayank? How to write on
ds
velocity?
upon dt.
ds upon dt, rate at which displacement takes place. Ashmita, इतना क्यों सोच रही है तू? ये क्या? मैंने क्या पूछा? Velocity, that is differentiating displacement, leaving velocity. So differentiation with ds by dt
Yes, sir.
will be, and that is equal to what? क्यों तुम लोग ये भूल रहे हो? मुझे ये बता नहीं आ रहा. और ये मैं बता चुका तुम्हें. अगर मैं ds को मैं सब्जेक्ट बनाता हूँ, तो can I say now, Ashmita, dt will come over here? Agreed?
Yes, sir.
Okay, now what we'll do to get s? Yes, man, correct.
So differentiation.
कहाँ से differentiation? मैंने क्या बोला? Velocity से displacement चाहिए ना मुझे. तो क्या करोगे इस expression को?
Ah, yes, sir. Integration.
Integrating both the sides. Integrating both the sides. Do we have limits over here?
No, sir.
Okay, Smith and Mayank, do we have limits over here?
So now we have to take, so in upper
No,
limit
sir,
we
we'll
will
take
take s
constant.
equal to s, and the lower limit will be s equal to 0.
That means over here also time initial will be 0, final time is 2 seconds.
Yes, sir.
तो limits है कि नहीं है?
Yes, sir, we have limits.
यानी ध्यान से सुनो, इसको समझो ना स्टूडेंट्स, इसको समझो ना. Body undergoes a displacement. ध्यान से सुनना, please, everybody. At time t equal to 0, body motion में है ही नहीं. So what exactly the displacement of the body is 0. यानी अगर तुम इसको इंटीग्रेट करते हो स्टूडेंट्स, तो यहाँ पे भी तो इंटीग्रेट करोगे. 3t square plus t plus 2 into dt. और अगर किसी ने मुझे पूछा, सर आप इंटीग्रेट क्यों कर रहे हो भाई, तो मेरा आंसर उसको यही होगा कि स्टूडेंट्स वी आर ट्राइंग टू गो फ्रॉम वेलोसिटी टू डिस्टेंस, यानी वेलोसिटी टू डिस्प्लेसमेंट. ये तो क्या दिया गया मुझे स्पीड, उससे हम क्या फाइंड आउट कर रहे हैं? डिस्टेंस फाइंड आउट कर रहे हैं. तो हमें इंटीग्रेशन के लिए जाना है, तो मैं इंटीग्रेट कर लूं. अभी मैं इंटीग्रेट आने के बाद मैं यहाँ पे रुक सकता हूँ. मैं अभी मुझे आगे नहीं क्रैक हो रहा है, तो मैं क्या करूं? लुक एट द डिस्प्लेसमेंट, हाउ इज इट सर? इनिशियली अगर डिस्प्लेसमेंट में 0 लेता हूं और फाइनली मैं s ले लेता हूं, तो मेरा इनिशियल इज 0, फाइनल इज s। तो व्हाट इज द इनिशियल टाइम t इक्वल टू क्या होगा? 0। आई वांट टू फाइंड आउट डिस्प्लेसमेंट, क्या पूछा है, और डिस्टेंस इन टाइम t, तो कहने से मैं फाइनल टाइम t इज इक्वल टू 2 सेकंड्स। क्या ये क्लियर हुआ स्टूडेंट्स?
Yes, sir.
Understood? Now,
Yes.
now go for it. Now, Ashwita, can you
Yes.
solve further? What is integration of ds? अभी formulas है, अभी पूरा formula game.
So
बोलो, what is integration of
S.
ds? S. So can I run s as upper limit as s, that is 0 to s. ये क्या होगा integration? How do you do this? Is it u plus v method? U plus v plus
So
w method?
3 is constant.
So can I split
3
up, separate
yes,
कर सकता हूँ तीनों को?
yes, sir.
So what will be integration of what?
So 3 is constant, so we'll take it out.
Yes.
Integration of t square is t cube by
Wait.
3.
See one thing. Ashwin, don't give me direct answer. पहले एकदम logically तुम करो, बोलो ना.
Okay,
Sir,
sir.
3t square into dt करो.
3t square
Integration
हाँ,
of t into dt करो.
t into
Plus
dt
integration of 2 into dt
plus
करो.
2 into dt.
Lower limit is 0, upper limit is 2. 0 to 2, 0 to 2. चलो अभी हम solve करते हैं. इसका क्या आंसर होगा? s minus 0 यानी s ही आएगा. Upper limit minus lower limit is s. अभी इसको बताओ कैसे solve करोगे? ये वाला part.
So now 3 is constant, we'll take it out.
Very
And
good.
integration of t square into dt is t raised to 2 plus 1 by 2 plus 1. So that is
Very
t raised to 3 by 3.
lower limit is again 2, upper limit 0, lower limit is 0, upper limit यानी integration of t
Yes,
square
sir.
by means t raised to 3 by 3. देखो इसका मैंने ये फॉर्म यहाँ पे लिखा और आंसर यहाँ पे लिखा. यानी स्टूडेंट्स, जो स्टूडेंट्स अभी इसको प्रिंट लेते हैं या उसको छापते हैं या इसको लिखते हैं, तो थोड़ा दिमाग यूज करके करना कि कहाँ पे कैसे रिप्लेस किया. स्टूडेंट्स प्लीज अंडरस्टैंड प्रॉपर्ली व्हाट एग्जैक्टली इट इज, और जिसको फॉर्मूला आएगा वो आगे बढ़ सकेगा, जिसको फॉर्मूला नहीं आएगा वो रुक रुक के चलेगा. आई एम टेलिंग यू वेरी क्लियरली स्टूडेंट्स. ओके, नाउ लेट अस गो फॉर द नेक्स्ट पार्ट ऑफ इट. क्लास, व्हाट इज इंटीग्रेशन ऑफ t into dt?
T.
t raised to 1 है. What is the integration of t into dt?
So t raised to 2 by 2.
Of course, इतना क्यों सोच रही है? x देखो ना, x raised into dx with consider x raised to n is 1, so t raised to 1 plus 1 upon 1 plus 1. Agreed? Agreed? अभी यहाँ पे क्या करोगे? लास्ट टर्म के लिए प्लस 2
2
into
is
it.
constant.
2 is constant. Very good. What is integration of dt? What is integration of dt? Formula: integration of dx, integration of dw, integration of du, integration
T.
only t. Integration of ds is s, integration of du is u, integration of dw is w, integration of dx is x, integration of dt is t. Integration of e raised to x
T.
into dx. Ashmita, integration of e raised to x into dx. बोलो fast.
Minus.
Integration of
So
e
can you
raised to
repeat?
integration of
Ex e raised to x plus c.
very good. And integration of dx upon x?
Ln x plus c.
Very good. And integration of e raised to minus x into dx?
Minus e raised to minus x plus c.
Okay, fine. See students, अगर तुम consistently ये revise करोगे तो दिमाग पर बैठेगा. और ये स्टूडेंट्स ये जेन्युइन प्रॉब्लम होगा. भले सी स्मिथ एंड माइक का आंसरिंग राइट नाउ. अगर सपोज स्मिथ एंड माइक आल्सो डू नॉट टच दीस मैथमेटिकल रिलेशंस फॉर नेक्स्ट 15 or 20 days, उन लोग अगर इनको अगर ये छुएंगे भी नहीं, ऐसा छुएंगे भी नहीं, तो क्या होगा? दे विल सर्टेनली फॉरगेट. कोई स्टूडेंट हु इज स्लाइटली एन एवरेज, वो 10 में से 10 क्वेश्चन अटेम्प्ट नहीं कर सकेगा. 15 दिन के बाद में मयंक एंड स्मिथ माइट भी 10 में से एटलीस्ट 5 या 6 करेंगे, लेकिन बाकी दूसरे 5 भी में तो वो अटकेंगे, 110% अटकेंगे, क्योंकि रिविजन नहीं है कंसिस्टेंटली। इसमें सबको मेहनत चाहिए, तो एक कंसिस्टेंसी में रखना जरूरी है। कंसिस्टेंसी में कैसे रखोगे? या तो उसको कंसिस्टेंटली प्रॉब्लम जो की है उसको वापस क्रैक करते रहो, लेकिन तुम डिपेंडेंट हो तो टीचर को, टीचर ने होमवर्क नहीं दिया, होमवर्क मामा देयर इज नो होमवर्क, देयर इज नो होमवर्क, सो हाउ कैन वी डू इट? ये है, भले टीचर दे या नहीं दे, अगेन आई एम टेलिंग स्टूडेंट्स, बी सेल्फिश, बी सेल्फिश। तुम अपने आप करो ना जो क्वेश्चंस हमने किए, और मेरे हिसाब से मैंने जितने भी क्वेश्चंस तुम्हारे साथ में किए सारे, मोस्ट ऑफ द क्वेश्चंस आई हैव पिक्ड अप फ्रॉम द मॉड्यूल्स, और जितना हो सके उसमें 80 to 90% आई ट्राई टू कंप्लीट विद यू, whether it's first chapter, whether it's second chapter right now also, भले वो इन चैप्टर के क्वेश्चंस हो या सॉल्व प्रॉब्लम्स हो या अनसॉल्व प्रॉब्लम्स हो फ्रॉम द मॉड्यूल्स, I've picked up maximum strength so that you should not get blocked anywhere. और ये हम फिजिक्स, ये देखो ये फिजिक्स पार्ट है, ये फिजिक्स पार्ट है, क्योंकि हमें ऐसे देंगे फिजिक्स में क्वेश्चंस ऐसे आएंगे तो उस टाइम पे अटकना ही नहीं है। और ये मैंने रूल बता दिया था, S2 भी जाओगे V2 जाओगे तो डिफरेंशिएशन होगा, A2 भी जाएगा V2 जाएगा तो क्या होगा? इंटीग्रेशन होगा। नाउ व्हाट शुड बी द आंसर? इट्स इंटीग्रेशन ऑफ dt will be simply d, लोअर लिमिट क्या होगा? लोअर लिमिट इज 0, अपर लिमिट इज 2। नाउ s is equal to 3 upon 3 बाहर आ गया, t raised to 3 0 to 2 प्लस ये 1 by 2 t raised to 2 0 to 2 plus 2 t 0 to 2, s is equal to 3 and 3 gets cancelled. ये क्या होगा तुम्हारा? Ashmita, now can you say what exactly this will be?
Yes, I will substitute t as 2. So 2 cube minus 1 cube.
This is 0 0 0.
Lower limit.
0.
Okay. 0 sir.
So 0
0
cube.
cube
Hmm.
plus half into 2 square minus 0 square
Hmm.
plus 2 into 2 square minus
No, this is only t, only t. So upper limit minus
2.
lower limit,
So
2
2
minus.
minus 0.
I'm getting it.
Yes sir. So now 8
8
plus half
into 4
half into 4. So 2
plus.
plus 2 into 2, that is 4.
So what's my answer?
14 meter.
Full समझ में आया how to get it? Okay. Now can you give me the answer for acceleration? Anybody else who can give me the answer for acceleration? Acceleration in time t equal to 1 second. Anyone? Yes, Swapnil, answer.
So we are finding acceleration from velocity, so we'll differentiate.
We are trying to find out acceleration from velocity. तो velocity से acceleration find out करोगे तो हम differentiate करेंगे किसको? Velocity. Velocity क्या दिया students? Velocity is given to you as 3t square plus t plus 2. Differentiating velocity with respect to time and differentiating 3t square plus t plus 2 by dt. What is velocity with respect to time? Differentiating velocity with respect to time is acceleration. Swapnil, can you give me the answer? What is differentiating 3t square by dt?
6t.
6t plus differentiating t by dt.
1 and 0.
Cancellation होगा, dt will get cancelled.
Cancel हुआ.
Differentiating constant to
0.
0 cannot be. Okay, तो ये क्या आंसर होगा? 6t plus 1. And you need to find out acceleration for what time?
1 second.
1
6
second.
plus
1 second. So what exactly my answer for acceleration will be?
7 meter per second square.
7 meter per second square. Agreed, students. And देखो अभी दोनों को क्वेश्चन आना शुरू हो गए, इंटीग्रेशन डेरिवेटिव्स दोनों आना शुरू हो गए। ये ध्यान रखना स्टूडेंट्स, ये लीनियर डिस्प्लेसमेंट है। लीनियर डिस्प्लेसमेंट टू लीनियर वेलोसिटी, गो फॉर डेरिवेटिव्स। लीनियर वेलोसिटी एक्सेलरेशन dv by dt will equal to acceleration। और जब भी हमें इंटीग्रेशन भी करना है ना स्टूडेंट्स, तो एक्सेलरेशन को dv by dt लिखते हैं, वेलोसिटी को ds by dt लिखते हैं, और फिर इसको यहाँ पे लेके इंटीग्रेशन कर देते हैं, जो अश्मिता थोड़ा सा यहाँ पे मिस कर गई। वो यहाँ पे आने के बाद में when the man I told कि ds by dt she was not able to crack this कि velocity is ds by dt. जैसे उसको ये पता चला कि ds by dt है, then take it over here and then integrating both the sides. तो ये connecting points ध्यान में रखना. Okay, Swapnil, Mayank, whatever it is, that is whoever. Okay, and can you tell me? This is for linear motion. Did I say about for motion along an arc, a motion along a circle? What are the
Yes,
variables?
sir.
What are the variables I
Theta,
said? Can you-
omega, alpha.
Okay. Let me put forward back over here so that it becomes a revision. अभी ये देखो ये किसके लिए कर रहा हूँ मालूम है ये चीजें मैं किसके लिए बता रहा हूँ मालूम है? जो स्टूडेंट्स पढ़ के बैठे, सिंसियरली पढ़ के बैठे, उनके लिए ये एडवांटेज होता मालूम है, उनके लिए एडवांटेज होता है. देखो मैंने क्वेश्चन थ्रो किया ही सेइंग इट. ओके चलो, कैन यू टेल मी व्हाट इज एंगुलर डिस्प्लेसमेंट? स्वप्निल, यू वर सेइंग angular displacement. What's the variable used for that?
The theta,
So
omega,
radian.
alpha will just
Very good. Theta, omega, and alpha. What does theta stands for? Angular displacement. What does omega stands for? Angular velocity. What does alpha stands for? Angular acceleration. Can you give me the unit of all three?
Theta will be in radian, alpha will be in radian
So
per second
Theta
square.
will be in radian. Theta will be in radian.
So sir, that's what I'm telling you. Theta will be in radian.
Omega will be.
will be in radian per second,
Very good.
and alpha will be radian per second square.
And when I go from theta to omega, omega to alpha, will you use differentiation or integration?
Differentiation,
And when I go from alpha to omega, omega to
Integration.
theta, what?
integration.
So now can you give me what exactly omega? How is omega represented as? Omega can be represented as what?
D theta by dt radian.
Very good. D theta by dt. How is alpha represented as?
D omega by dt radian per
Very-
second.
And ये तुम्हें ध्यान में रखना है. जैसे देखो ना, velocity को कैसे लिखा हम लोग ने? ds by dt. Friends, velocity is ds by dt. वैसे ही omega is d theta by dt. यहाँ पे देखो मैंने acceleration को कैसे लिखा? How is acceleration written as? dv by dt. Acceleration is dv by dt. तो वैसे ही यहाँ पे अल्फा को मैंने कैसे लिखा? d omega by dt. क्या ये क्लियर हुआ स्टूडेंट्स? Somebody was saying, some girl was speaking in between. Ashmita, you were the one who was asking something?
no, sir, nothing.
Okay, is it clear now students? क्या ये question clear हुआ सबको?
Yes, sir, clear.
Okay, can I
But
erase it
sir,
now?
what omega stands for? You said angular,
Angular velocity,
and theta
angular displacement. And these are all vectors. You can put an arrowhead over there. हम लोग ने क्या है ना angular. See one thing, students, when exactly cross products are used? बताओ चलो, vectors में cross products कहाँ पे use होता है students?
angular.
Did I do vectors with you all?
Yes sir.
Yes,
हाँ students? हाँ
Yes sir.
हाँ, तो vectors में cross products कहाँ पे use करोगे students? बताओ. Physics में कहाँ पे use करोगे? I made it very clear to you all.
When vector into vector.
But for what kind of motions we consider for vector cross products कहाँ पे होगा?
Angular motion.
So
हाँ,
rotation.
Angular for
rotation angle.
cross.
Rotational and angular students. I get it. For rotational angular motion, students will be going for this. Yani either along a circle or along an arc or rotating about its own axis. Students, वहाँ पे हम cross product use करेंगे. अगर तुम्हें ध्यान से मालूम हो तो मैंने ये रिलेशन भी दिया था, टॉर्क इज इक्वल टू आर क्रॉस एफ, एक फॉर्मूला दिया था, वी बार इज इक्वल टू ओमेगा बार क्रॉस आर बार. तो वहां पे मैंने बताया था कि ये वेरिएबल्स कहाँ पे है, ये वेरिएबल सारे परपेंडिकुलर होते हैं स्टूडेंट्स. अगर तुम ध्यान से, अगर तुम्हें वेक्टर प्रोडक्ट्स ध्यान से मालूम हो तो राइट हैंड रूल क्या था? योर कर्ल्ड फिंगर शोज द मोशन ऑफ द वेक्टर्स. If I say a vector is considered, if A cross B, if I'm going in anti-clockwise direction in a given plane, then my vector C is perpendicular to these two and along positive Z axis. ये XY plane हुआ. I'm going in anti-clockwise direction. अगर मैं clockwise direction में जाता हूँ motion तो मेरा thumb नीचे की तरफ गया, यानी ये भी तो vector है, यानी ये सारे vectors है students. You can put represent in form of an arrowhead. इनका डायरेक्शन या तो ऊपर हो सकता है या नीचे हो सकता है। ऊपर कभी होगा स्टूडेंट्स जब ये मोशन एंटी क्लॉकवाइज में होगा, नीचे कभी होगा व्हेन द मोशन इज क्लॉकवाइज। And students, I made it very clear, cross products are always used for all those problems or all those chapters related in physics which are dealing with circular motion and rotational motion or motion along an arc. कभी भी कोई टीचर पूछे तो this is how you have to present it. Dot products are what? Simply it's a scalar product. I give you 4 examples onto that. Work is equal to force into displacement. Anybody remember all the 4 examples? Chalo. Anybody remembers 4 examples?
What, sir?
Work is equal to F dot S. दूसरा पावर दिया था, पावर इज इक्वल टू फोर्स इनटू
F
वेलोसिटी।
dot V.
फिर मैंने इलेक्ट्रिक फ्लक्स एंड मैग्नेटिक फ्लक्स बोला था। इलेक्ट्रिक फ्लक्स इज E into A, magnetic flux is B into A. And this I gave you as names. These are the names which you consider as a dot product, component cos theta used. लेकिन throughout your module, students ये भी ध्यान में रखना, throughout your module of vectors कहाँ पे भी एक भी क्वेश्चन इलेक्ट्रिक फ्लक्स के ऊपर नहीं है, मैग्नेटिक फ्लक्स के ऊपर नहीं है। इसलिए वो स्टूडेंट्स भूल जाते हैं, वो फॉर्मूलाज भी भूल जाते हैं स्टूडेंट्स, क्योंकि वो आगे आएगा जब भी तुम इलेक्ट्रिसिटी करोगे, चैप्टर इलेक्ट्रोस्टैटिक्स करोगे, वहां पे आता है। लेकिन जब भी तुम्हारा ओवरऑल फिजिक्स खत्म होना शुरू हो जाता है, तभी स्टूडेंट्स को ये 2 फॉर्मूलाज भी ध्यान में रखने होते हैं जो मैंने अभी बता दिए तुम लोगों को। लेकिन फॉर द टाइम बीइंग इन डॉट प्रोडक्ट विल बी गेटिंग प्रॉब्लम्स बेसिकली इन फिजिक्स एज F dot S, F dot V, वर्क एंड पावर। Can I erase this, students?
Yes, sir.
Yes, students. Now, students, just let me know about page number 38, please. Page number 38 of your module. If you have a module in front of you or you have in form for PDF, page number 38, students, section 4. Students, did we do these problems on integration for section 4? Question number 28, 29, 30, 31, 32. हम लोग ने किए ये क्वेश्चन? शायद मेरे हिसाब से नहीं किए। हाँ स्टूडेंट्स, किए कि नहीं किए?
Also,
Yeah.
Sir, we
Huh?
have done.
We
Yes, sir,
have
we have
done.
done.
You have done it, na?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Anybody has any doubts again from 28 to 32, please ask me right now, because see one thing, ये अच्छे वाले questions है और ये हम लोग ने कर चुके हैं, सारे unsolved problems हम लोग ने किए वहाँ पे। यानी ये तुम्हारा basics है, अगर वो strong हो गया तो things are fine with it. Okay, 28, 29, 38, 31st and 32nd. Okay, just one thing, one of y'all give me the answer for students. Give me the answer for 29th only. Okay, 29th, 31st. and 32nd. चलो ये 3 प्रॉब्लम मुझे सॉल्व करके दो, and I want in less than 3 minutes. Swapnil has got it. Okay, Swapnil, come on, you answer. Swapnil, answer all three. Come on.
Step by step or direct answer?
29. Now you give it directly because you already go to 29. Now just wait a minute. Just give me the formula and nth root of x raised to n into dx. Just give me the steps fast. That's all. Speak out the steps. Swapnil, are you there?
Oh, so my mic was mute. So
Pardon?
we'll do, my mic was muted by mistake. So
Okay.
we'll do n x raised to 1 by 2 plus 1. That means we'll do x raised to n by m plus 1 upon m by m plus 1 plus c.
Absolutely correct. चलो ये खत्म हो गया और फाइनल इसका आंसर लिख लेना स्टूडेंट्स. ओके, दूसरा वाला 31st I'm giving it students. 31st was integration of dx upon 2 root x. Integration of dx upon 2 root x. Swapnil, answer.
X plus c.
So what will do?
We'll take 1 by 2 outside the common as common. Then we'll do x raised to n plus 1. That means we'll do x. We'll do that root 2 x upon as numerator. That means x raised to minus 1 by 2 plus 1 upon minus 1 by 2 plus 1. That means
Very
we'll 1 by 2 into 2 x raised to 1 by 2. So 2 got cancelled out. X 1 by 2 is equals to x root x plus c.
Absolutely correct. Please try to solve both these students. Yes, students, you'll get it. This answer, what exactly said it, Swapnil? It's half x raised to minus half. We consider integration of x raised to n dx plus 1 upon half plus 1 plus constant of integration. Students, this will be half. This will be x raised to minus half plus 1 will be half. 1 minus half will be again half plus c. The students, this will 2 will go in the numerator. So 2 by 2 x raised to half plus c. So your answer will be equal to root x plus c. Is this clear, students? The last one, 32nd, was integration of
1 minus 2u du.
1 minus 2u
2u.
into du, students. So now for this, how do you go about with this? Yes, so what's happening?
Integration of du minus integration of 2u du. Is
Okay,
equals to du will be u minus, will take minus 2 as constant. U minus 2 integration of u du plus constant of integration. Equals to u minus 2 integration of u raised to 1 plus 1 upon 1 plus 1 plus constant of integration. That means u minus 2 u square by 2 plus c. So 2 and 2 will get cancelled out. So our final output will be u minus u square plus.
absolutely correct. Students, this is simply multiplication. Integration of 1 into du will be du minus integration of 2u into du. Integration of du will be simply u minus 2. You have to consider integration of u into du will be there. U minus 2. What is integration u raised to? So it's x raised to n into dx. It will be x raised to n plus 1 upon n plus 1 plus constant of integration. So now when I consider it's u minus 2, this is u raised to 2 upon 2 plus c. So now when you're solving it, what exactly the answer will be getting it? It's simply 2 and 2 will get cancelled. So it's u minus u square plus c. Friends, is the question clear with all of y'all? Pranshul is answering in this case, huh? Very smart. Pranshul, you're answering these things. Can I erase this, students? Erase करूँ इसको, please. Can you tell me?
Yes.
Okay. Okay, students. Now please pay attention. Just try to solve these questions. If V is equal to 4 upon 3 pi r cube. Okay, as if we consider as volume of sphere. Absolutely correct. Yes, I'll be sending it. I'll be sending it. I'll be sending it. Volume of sphere, students, is 4 upon 3 pi r cube is given to you, students. I want you to differentiate volume with respect to r. Options are 4 upon 3 pi r cube. Option B, 4 pi r cube. Option C, students, 4 pi r. And option D, students, 4 pi r square. Hope the question is clear. I've given you V is equal to 4 upon 3 pi r cube. Absolutely correct, Swapnil. Differentiate. I asked you differentiate, students, differentiate volume with respect to r. Absolutely correct. Please, those who have got the answer, raise your hands. Swapnil has got it, Smith has got it, Mayank has got it, Vansh has got it. Good, Vansh. So why don't you reply? What about Pranshul and Arth and anybody else? Anybody else? Okay, Vansh, come on, you answer, Vansh. Vansh, you answer.
Yes, sir.
Bolo.
Sir.
Vansh is answering, my dear.
Okay. Okay,
Yeah,
sir.
bolo. Vansh, are you there?
Yes, sir.
Bolo. कैसे करोगे?
4 by 3 pi is a constant.
हाँ,
Differentiating r cube.
very good.
R cube. So differentiation of r cube is 3r square हो जाएगा.
Very good. यानी ये होगा 4/3 pi. Differentiating r cube will be equal to what? 3r square. And students, y is equal to x raised to n. He used dy by dx is equal to n into x raised to n minus 1. So now cancellation, this will get cancelled. We consider what's my answer? Option D. Agreed? Next question, students, next question. xy is equal to c square. Please, everybody, it's a good question, students. xy is equal to c square. Then dy by dx. dy by dx is, options I'll give it to you. X by y. Option B, y by x. Option C, minus x by y. Option D, minus y by x. क्या ये question clear हुआ students? If xy is equal to c square, then dy by dx is option A, x by y. Option B, y by x. Option C, minus x by y. Option D, minus y by x. Smith has given the answer. Swapnil gave the answer, Smith gave the answer. Mayank, you answered for this or the previous one?
So previous one.
Okay. 2 students have given the answer for this one. Absolutely correct, Parth. Parth is also correct. Parth, can you tell me how to do it? कैसे करोगे? चलो Parth, you only answer. Ashmita has
Yes, sir.
answered. बोलो Parth, कैसे करोगे?
Differentiating both sides with respect to x.
Okay.
X
So please
into
tell me,
d
differentiating both the sides with respect to
x.
So
X into
differentiating
dy upon
by
dx plus
dx.
x.
Wait a minute. Is it this? Is this clear? Is this what you want to say?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So
So dy dx. No, sir. This is
then
not I was gonna say.
what did you say? What did you say? You said a differentiating both sides with respect to x. So मैंने
Yes,
differentiate
sir.
कर दिया, है ना?
So I was telling x into dy upon dx plus 1 into y is equal to 0. Then x is dy upon dx plus y is equal to 0. X dy upon dx is equal to minus y. Then dy dx is equal to minus y upon x.
No, means what did you do? What exactly did Parth? इसका क्या किया तुमने? यानी did you use a product rule or what exactly? Did you use a chain rule or what exactly?
It's a chain rule.
Okay. So chain rule and derivatives के अंदर तुम्हें क्या चाहिए? dy by dx चाहिए. तो क्या किया तुमने?
So x dy upon dx plus y, फिर y को राइट साइड में लाया तो माइनस y हो गया और
Okay.
सर जो लेफ्ट में x था उसको माइनस y upon x, तो dy upon dx is equal to minus y upon x.
Absolutely correct. See students, whenever such kind of questions are given to you, थोड़ा सा patience रखो. पूछा क्या है तुम्हें? dy by dx. Students, so try to make y as a subject ना. टेंशन क्यों ले रहे हो? y को सब्जेक्ट बना दो ना. तो तुम्हारा प्रॉब्लम क्या था स्टूडेंट्स? प्लीज इसका सोल्यूशन यहाँ पे दे रहा है स्टूडेंट्स. लेट्स ऑफ द पीपल ना. xy is equal to c square. I want dy by dx. So I'll make y as a subject. तो कहना से y is equal to c square upon x हो जाएगा. तो कहना put y is equal to c square x raised to minus 1. अभी हो गया तुम्हारा? Easy हो गया तुम्हारा स्टूडेंट्स? Now can I differentiate both the sides with respect to x? Why not? स्टूडेंट्स यहाँ पे c क्या बन जाएगा? कांस्टेंट बन जाएगा. c कांस्टेंट बन जाएगा. तो देखो dy by dx is differentiating c square x raised to minus 1 by dx. Therefore, can I say dy by dx, students? C square I'll convert outside. Differentiating x raised to minus 1 by dx. Therefore, what will be dy by dx, students? C square. Can you tell me what is differentiating x raised to minus 1? What's the formula? x raised to -1,
-1 -1.
-1 x raised to n -1. Means can I say -1 -1? क्या ये clear हुआ सबको? ये formula clear हुआ students? Good.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
ये formula use किया. So now can I say therefore dy by dx will be equal to what? C square. I'll put this minus sign outside. C square x raised to -2. Can I write on this as x square in the denominator now?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir, you can
Convert
write it.
positive power. Now look at the options. Do I have any options in terms of C? कहाँ पे मुझे
Yes, sir.
options
C is xy. C square is
हाँ, ये
xy.
तो C square is what?
XY.
जब भी तुम यहाँ पे आ गए तुम यहाँ पे आके फिर अटक जाओगे फिर तुम्हें मैच करना है तुम्हारे ऑप्शंस के साथ में लेकिन गिवन इन्फॉर्मेशन क्या था C square is equal to x square.
Minus of xy upon x square is equal to minus xy.
So minus y by x. Which option is that? D. Is this clear, students?
Yes.
Okay.
So मैंने x को सब्जेक्ट लेके किया था.
हाँ, doesn't matter. X को सब्जेक्ट लेके भी किया पर लेकिन देखो ये तुम्हारा try to look into this. मुझे डिफरेंशिएट करना है y को. Y मेरा फंक्शन है, x मेरा वेरिएबल है. तुमने क्या किया x को लेते हुए किया है यानी एक्चुअली अगर मैं देखूं तो dy by dx into dx by dt we can consider or by other variable. लेकिन यहाँ पे तुम्हारा y फंक्शन था तो you could have made it more easier by keeping y as a function in that case. But even you have done it in the correct. It doesn't matter. Can I erase both the students?
Yes, sir, you can.
Okay. Okay, students. Integration of students sin x into cos x into dx is options. I'll give it to you. Minus cos 2x by 4 plus c sin 2x by 4 plus c cos 2x plus c. None of these. Oh. Smith and Swapnil, you raised the answer for this only?
So I have raised for this.
Okay. Yes, anybody else? Smith has raised for it. Smith already pushed the answer. Mayank has answered. Absolutely correct. Smith, your answer is Mayank. You just post your answer, just option डाल दे. Postcard, Mayank.
So just one second.
Come on, anybody else? integration of sin x into cos x into dx is? Yes, Mayank, you didn't posted your answer, Mayank. No, my dear Mayank. गलत है ये. Students, मुझे ऐसा फील हो रहा है कि मैंने ये प्रॉब्लम किया है तुम लोग के साथ में. I feel it in that way. हाँ students?
No, sir.
अच्छा नहीं किया?
Actually,
चलो.
you did.
Very good. Very good. Very good.
So
Yes. Ashmita, you want to answer?
yes, sir, we did this some last time.
We did it now. That's what somewhere मुझे भी
Yes,
अभी
sir.
फील हो रहा है करके मैंने किया है. अश्विता, can you give an answer? तुम यानी solution देख के बोल रहे हो या अपने आप से बोल रहे हो?
No, sir. मुझे भी लग
Okay, Smith, come on, you answer, Smith.
Yes, sir. Sir, we will take a trigonometric identity. So sin x into cos x, we will take a sin 2x upon 2.
Absolutely correct.
So
यानी
when
मैं क्या करता हूँ? Wait a minute. I'll multiply numerator by this and denominator by this, so that you will understand more better. Since he's going for trigonometrical identity we consider, and he's using sine 2 theta is 2 sine theta cos theta. Divide by 2 करोगे तो ये आंसर आएगा. Sin 2 theta divided by 2 क्या होगा? Sin theta cos theta, तो वही है. तो ये क्या होगा? Integration of sine 2x by 2 into dx.
yes,
Okay,
sir.
now
Now we will take half is a constant, so half into integration of sin 2x into dx.
absolutely correct. Then
Now,
further,
sir, we know that integration of sin ax into dx, which is equal to minus 1 upon a into cos ax plus c, where c is constant of integration. So integral of sin x cos x equals to half sin 2x into dx, which is equal to minus 1 upon 4 into cos 2x plus c, which is minus cos 2x upon 4 plus c. Option A.
absolutely correct. Absolutely correct. So see one thing. Now when you look into it, ये जो तुम्हारा है ना, ये जो integration of halves, integration of sin 2x into dx we consider over here, students. Agreed? अभी यहाँ पे तुम देखोगे ना students, तो तुम क्या करोगे? इसको तुम कैसे करोगे तुम? या तो तुम क्या करोगे? Sin of 2x
So,
into dx we consider.
integration by, so we can do it by integration by substitution also, no?
Yes, that is what it is. And that's what he has tried to work out in the same manner. उसने क्या किया? Half बार ले लिया. Sin 2x को उसने क्या किया? In terms of 1 by 2. Are you getting it? And then dx and dx is getting cancelled in that case. That's what he's trying to go for it. उसने differentiate mentally कर दिया. That's what he tried to work out. Mentally he worked out with that. Okay, now Ashmita, by substitution, what exactly will take it? Let u be equal to 2x. Come on, Ashmita, continue from here. So क्या करोगे?
So now we'll differentiate u by dx.
Okay,
So differentiating 2x by dx is 2.
absolutely correct.
Now
So what's the value? What's the value
du
of 2 into dx? क्या हो जाएगा? du हो जाएगा. Agreed?
du, हाँ.
Okay, fine. Now,
So now the
substitute
integration, that is half integration of sin u
sin 2x, that is sin u.
sin u
And what is dx?
dx is du by 2.
Very good. So that will be du by 2. So now can I say this is half? This also
1
half
by
will be
4.
outside. Very good.
Hmm.
What is
And
integration of sin
integration
u?
of sin u is minus cos u plus c.
Okay. Very good. Very good. That will be equal to 1 by 4 with a negative sign. Cos of u. What is cos of u? What is u?
2x
Plus. So what's your answer?
minus cos 2x by 4 plus c.
That's a concept of integration. Exactly. That's your answer. Option is A. Can I erase this, students?
So
And please do keep this in mind. Sine 2 theta is 2 sine theta cos theta. So sine 2 theta by 2 is sine theta cos theta. That's the identity we have used it over here. So don't forget these things.
sir.
Yeah.
So we can't directly use substitution method in the beginning.
Why not?
No, because like when sin x into cos x, like you use substitution over there only. So
Mhm.
I'm getting a sin square x by 2 plus c. So like that is not the option given.
No. But in that case, when you're trying to go for it, you'll have to substitute that u back over there now, because you need to get your variable. The differentiation was with respect to x. The differentiation was with respect to x.
After
So you have to-
substituting, I'm getting sin square x by 2 plus c. Like when you directly substitute.
No, but in that case, then it's not proper, because when you look into it, you had to differentiate the part which is there into the expression, and your expression was with respect to du. See, when you're looking into it, your function was what and what exactly variable that has to be looked onto it. So यहाँ पे तुम्हारा substitution was in terms of u, and that u was a function, x was the variable in that case. What you have tried to pick up is your x is a variable in that case. And that's why you got it in this manner. Is it clear?
Okay.
Okay. Okay, students. Now suppose the last question, students, okay? Then we'll go ahead with your kinematic students. The motion of a particle is in a straight line, students. Given to you is the motion of a particle is in a straight line, student, and it's defined as x is equal to t raised to 4 minus 12 t squared minus 40. So x is equal to t raised to 4 minus 12 t squared minus 40, where x is in meter, x is given to you in meter, and time is given to you in second. The question asks us, find out position x. Determine the position x, velocity v, and acceleration a at t equal to 2 seconds. Is the question clear, students? Position time expression is given to you t raised to 4 minus 12 t square minus 40, x in meter, time in second. I wanted to find out x, v, and a at time t equal to 2 seconds. Students, क्या ये question clear हुआ? Everyone? Students, is the question clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Okay. Smith, you raise hand for this only?
No, sir. I'm just doing it.
Okay, fine. Nishant, why you entered so late?
Sir, I had to go for admission and then now I just came.
Khalid, you had gone for?
Admission for the board to the school.
Okay.
I
Ashmita
just
was
came
saying कि नहीं, Ashmita was saying कि तुम्हें सेलो टेप से बांध के रखा हुआ है घर पे. Okay, and did you saw the part? You saw the question. What do you put across?
Exercise 4.
Your method of solving was proper. शायद वहाँ पे थोड़ा सा minor error था science का.
For that question I guess. Thank you.
Forgot the answer.
Okay. Smith has got it. So Smith, you've got all three x, v, and a.
Yes, sir.
Okay, fine. Carry on. Chalo, bolo, how do you go about with the x?
So with the first of all x, we will just substitute the value of t. which is 2
Directly you
seconds.
substitute it. Directly तुम substitute कर दोगे Smith?
Yes, sir.
Absolutely correct. Students, यहाँ पे x के लिए क्या करना है? Time को 2 seconds या तो directly substitution करो ना, तो 2 raised to 4 minus 12 2 square minus 40. So what's the answer?
Minus 72.
So 40 and 40, that is 88 and 60 we consider. So what's the answer? Minus 72
Yes, sir.
meter. Agree? What about velocity?
Velocity, which is v equals to dx upon dt. So 4 into t cube minus 24 into t, which is again t equals to 2 seconds. So substitute the value of t, which will come as minus 16 meter per second.
Absolutely correct. So we'll differentiate what? Velocity. That means differentiating dx by, sorry, to get velocity, differentiated displacement, we consider position with respect to time. So now this is u plus or minus v method. So v is equal to what, students? Differentiating t raised to 4 by dt. Now students, still for those students, I'm trying to do it still separately. Minus sign will be outside. Differentiating 12t square by dt minus differentiating 40 by dt. So now solving it further, differentiating t raised to 4. So what exactly it will be? 4t cube. Differentiating y is equal to x raised to n into x raised to n minus 1. Please students, derivatives में subtraction होगा power. और आगे वाला टर्म यहाँ पे आएगा. Integration में reciprocal आएगा. That's n plus 1 upon n plus 1. ये ध्यान में रखना. Don't forget that. dt will get cancelled. Minus 2 constant है. Differentiating t square will be 2 into t. Minus differentiating constant will be 0. So v will be equal to 4t cube minus 4t. Now substituting the value of t as 2 seconds. 2 the whole cube minus 4 into 2. So answer will be 2 cube is 8. 8 4s are 32 minus 8. What answer you got it for this?
Minus 16.
Minus
16 meters per second.
16?
Yes, sir.
How come minus 16?
So 24.
So that 12 into 2, 12 t square.
Pardon? Pardon?
Yes, sir. We have taken 2.
The 12
That
t
is
square
12
will be
second.
24 t.
Very good, very good. This was 12 ना? Okay, see,
Yes.
see students. देखो मेरा शायद focus that's what ये देखो मैंने bracket में लिखा है 12 लेकिन बाहर दिया constant 2. It's 12.
Yes, sir.
This is what it is. Okay. तभी देखो ये क्या हो जाएगा मान लो 12 to the how much it will be in terms of 24. Agreed? तो ये हो जाएगा minus 24. Are you getting it? So now what's the answer? Minus
16 meter per second.
Absolutely correct. Ashmita, getting it?
Yes, sir.
Acceleration. Acceleration is equal to what? dv by dt. So differentiating velocity we consider. What is the velocity? Which expression will take it for velocity, Smith?
So can
Hello?
you say?
Yes, say.
So 4t cube minus 24t.
Absolutely correct. So differentiating 4t cube, ये वाला लोगे students minus 24t. Reduce form वाला dt. So now what's the answer for acceleration? Differentiating 4t cube by dt minus differentiating 24t by dt. So what's the answer for this? Acceleration will be equal to how much? Force a constant. Differentiating t cube will be how much?
2t square.
2t square. The 3t square.
3t square.
Okay, and that's
So
3t square.
I did directly 12t square.
Okay, fine. And minus this will be how much? 24 will be outside. dt and dt will get cancelled. Enough?
Yes, sir.
So what's the answer? Acceleration will be equal to how much? 4 3s are 12 t square minus 24. How much is t given to you? 2.
2
So
seconds.
2 square will be, so 2 square will be 4. 12 4s are 48. 48 minus 24. What's the answer?
Meter.
24.
24? Yes, 24 meter per second. Can I erase this, students? Can I erase now, students?
Yes, sir.
Okay. I'll be sending you students the PDF for this also. Okay, for practice on to calculus part of it. Okay. Maybe today or by tomorrow I'll be sending it to you to try to crack that also. लेकिन एक ध्यान रखना students consistently formulas को revise करते रहो and mind you students whatever type of questions have been put in the model they are all mathematically represented students maths related ये था integration और derivatives physics में उसका देखो कैसे application भी जो last वाला हम लोगों ने problem किया physics related था वॉल्यूम ऑफ द एक मैंने दिया था वॉल्यूम ऑफ द स्फीयर 4/3 पाई आर क्यूब वो वाला एक ऑप्शन वाला दिया था डिफरेंशिएट वॉल्यूम विद रिस्पेक्ट टू रेडियस तो वैसे वाले क्वेश्चंस होते हैं फिजिक्स में तो वो ध्यान में रखना जब तुम फिजिक्स रिलेटेड हो तो क्वेश्चंस विल नॉट बी दैट ट्रिकी एंड माइंड यू स्टूडेंट्स ये अभी भी बता रहा हूँ इंटीग्रेशन डेरिवेटिव्स तुम्हारा और इजी होगा जब एक्चुअल मैथ्स में तुम लर्न करोगे अलोंग विद ट्रिगोनोमेट्री तुम्हारा ट्रिगोनोमेट्री अगर कंफर्टेबल हो गया स्ट्रांग हो गया थिंग्स विल बी बेटर फॉर यू Students, now we'll go further with the new topic. Students, we'll go for kinematics. I'll give you the introduction for this particular topic. Students, kinematics. Now, when I speak about this, students, we have learned about vectors part of it, the basic maths part of it, and that will be totally involved यहाँ पे. ये kinematics और laws of motion जो होगा ना इसके बाद वाला उसमें वहाँ पे utilize होगा students. देखो अभी जैसे तुमने ये वेक्टर्स और ये लर्न किया ना देखो कैसे फिजिक्स में यूज हो रहा है दैट विल बी मोर इम्पोर्टेंट इन दैट केस now when I speak about kinematics students the chapter is kinematics students is actually it's into two parts you have kinematics 1 and kinematics 2 students मुझे बता students what exactly mean by the term kinematics का मतलब क्या anybody
Motion of physical body.
Motion of
Physical body without going into same cause of motion.
very good Smith you answered
Yes, sir.
okay absolutely correct students kinematics का मतलब क्या है motion of a body students please speak about motion of an object okay motion of an object but not knowing its cause for its motion okay not considering cause for motion अब मुझे बताओ मोशन का कॉज क्या होगा कोई भी ऑब्जेक्ट को मोशन में लाने की व्हाट इज द कॉज फॉर इट पुश पुल या तो तुम ऑब्जेक्ट को पुश करो या ऑब्जेक्ट को पुल करो तो मोशन में आ जाएगा स्टूडेंट्स तो यहाँ पे नोवेयर स्टूडेंट्स यहाँ पे नोवेयर यू विल बी स्पीकिंग अबाउट फोर्स द कॉज फॉर एन ऑब्जेक्ट टू मूव इज एक्सटर्नल अनबैलेंस्ड फोर्स जैसे तुम लोग न्यूटन्स फर्स्ट लॉ ऑफ मोशन पढ़ा होगा ना है ना स्टूडेंट्स इसलिए इसकी बाद वाला चैप्टर कौन सा था मालूम है स्टूडेंट्स If you look into 11th standard also, the next chapter is Newton's laws of motion. इसलिए स्टूडेंट्स अभी मैं बोल रहा हूँ जितना तुम 9th स्टैंडर्ड के फिजिक्स को स्ट्रॉन्ग करोगे along with 10th, ये सारे चैप्टर्स 9th में किए हुए तुम लोगों ने, बेसिक्स पूरा वहां पे है, पूरा 9th में है. अगर तुम एसएससी किए हो वहां पे देखो, अभी तक तो मैंने ये शुरू किया ना, अगर आज का टाइम मिलता है तो 9th का पूरा मोशन इन वन स्ट्रेट लाइन कंप्लीट करो, उसके सारे प्रॉब्लम सॉल्व करो, फिर देखो चैप्टर कैसे क्लिक होता है. तुम क्या करते हो, 9th को छुओगे नहीं, हाथ नहीं लगाओगे, डायरेक्टली इसके ऊपर जंप करते हो, मॉड्यूल को पढ़ना शुरू कर देते हो, एंड दैट इज लाइकली ऑन द हायर साइड. फिर बोलोगे कुछ पल्ले नहीं पड़ता है. सो प्लीज फॉर दिस ट्राई टू गो थ्रू, आई एम वार्निंग यू वेरी क्लियरली स्टूडेंट्स, अगर ये चैप्टर को और स्ट्रॉन्ग बनाना है, प्लीज कंप्लीट योर 9th स्टैंडर्ड, वेदर यू आर एसएससी स्टूडेंट, वेदर यू आर सीबीएसई स्टूडेंट, वेदर यू आर आईसीएसई, गो थ्रू योर 9th स्टैंडर्ड मोशन इन स्ट्रेट लाइंस वेरी प्रॉपर्ली, or motion in one dimension. So students, kinematics का मतलब क्या? Motion of an object not knowing the cause for its motion. That means you are not speaking anywhere about push or pull. इसलिए इसके बाद वाला जो चैप्टर आता है उसमें that deals with dynamics. So what is dynamics? This is kinematics. This is dynamic. What is this? Again, this is a branch of physics. ये भी एक branch of physics है. This branch of physics deals with motion of an object, but not knowing the cause. ये क्या है? Branch of physics knowing the motion of the object, but यहाँ पे you know the cause for its motion. What is the cause for its motion? Force. तो dynamics में हम force के बारे में पढ़ेंगे. वो हो गया तुम्हारा NLM, Newton's laws of motion. ये इसके बाद वाला पार्ट है. यानी यहाँ पे भी स्टूडेंट्स, यहाँ पे भी तुम इनिशियल वेलोसिटी के बारे में पढ़ोगे, फाइनल वेलोसिटी के बारे में पढ़ोगे, डिस्प्लेसमेंट के बारे में पढ़ोगे, एक्सेलरेशन के बारे में पढ़ोगे, लेकिन ये सारी चीजें फोर्स के बदौलत हो रही है, वो पार्ट के बारे में पढ़ोगे. यहाँ पे तुम क्या पढ़ोगे? यहाँ पे तुम डिस्प्लेसमेंट के बारे में पढ़ोगे, इनिशियल वेलोसिटी के बारे में पढ़ोगे, फाइनल वेलोसिटी के बारे में पढ़ोगे, एक्सेलरेशन के बारे में पढ़ोगे, लेकिन nowhere you'll come across cause for its motion. This is very important. Agreed? So one should know very clearly what exactly kinematics means and what exactly dynamics means. Now, kinematics 1 and kinematics 2. Can you tell me what is kinematics 1 and kinematics 2 deals with? What is kinematics 1, kinematics 2 deals with? Anyone? Smith, bolo.
So about this, I don't know.
Pardon?
So about this difference, I don't know.
Okay. Kinematics 1 के अंदर क्या है मालूम है? It's motion of a body along a straight path, straight line. And either the body is moving along I or along J or along K. Yani this is one-dimensional motion. So this is one-dimensional motion. This is two-dimensional motion. This is one-dimensional motion. Any motion along a straight path, either the body is said to move either along x-axis or along y-axis or along z-axis. The word "or" will play a role. Lekin when I say two-dimensional का मतलब क्या? That means it's motion in plane. This is motion in plane. Plane का मतलब क्या हुआ? ध्यान से देखो. It can be either xy plane. ये देखो. It can be either xy plane, or it can be either zx plane, or it can be either yz plane. And it can I say vectors आएगा यहाँ पे? देखो ना vectors क्या तो diagram जैसे बना.
Yes.
So two-dimensional motion का मतलब क्या हुआ? Motion in plane. That means either students either along xy or yz or zx. That is why this chapter is split up into two parts. Students, kinematics 1, kinematics 2. Kinematics 1 में हम motion in straight line पढ़ेंगे, linear motion भी हम लोग पढ़ेंगे. लेकिन kinematics 2 के अंदर students, kinematics 2 के अंदर more precisely we'll be learning about projectile motion and circular motion. Projectile motion and circular motion are the motion of a particle we consider in 2D, whereas straight line we consider, okay, along a straight path we call one-dimensional motion. Students, so in the next lecture, we'll be going with respect to your one-dimensional motion further. लेकिन अगर हो सके students, अगर time मिले तो just browse through your 9th standard textbook. And secondly, students, okay, derivatives के अंदर, ध्यान से सुनना, derivatives के अंदर differentiation के टाइम पे हम लोग ने कैसे शुरुआत की? जब भी ग्राफ नॉन यूनिफॉर्म होता है और उसका स्लोप फाइंड आउट करना है तो हम डेरिवेटिव्स जाते हैं. अगर ग्राफ नॉन यूनिफॉर्म है और अगर मैं एरिया अंडर द ग्राफ लेता हूं तो वो इंटीग्रेशन पे जाता है. So please to take care of that part also, because I'm going to pick up over here also in the further sessions. Okay, so please go through your 9th standard topics still better, motion in straight lines, followed by go through basic formulas of vectors, followed by basic formulas of calculus. Okay, students?
Yes, sir.
Sure. We'll wind up. Okay, next lecture we'll be continuing further. Okay,
Bye, sir.
bye-bye.